Hello and welcome, my fellow knowledge seekers. My name is Dennis, and today I will show you how to copy formatting from one area to the other area within a Microsoft Word 2010 document. If we take a look over here under Article 1, you will notice that there is a specific type of formatting being applied to it, yet Article 2 does not have this formatting employed. So what I've seen a lot of times people do it in the old school way is they would click in the original source area and then they would take a look and see what kind of size of the font it was, what type of font it is, if it's bolded or not, and try to manually replicate it in the destination area. This is a very slow and tedious way of doing it, plus it will not achieve many of the higher level functions later on within Word. So instead of doing that, we're going to use a feature called Format Painter, which is located right over here in the left up corner and under the Home tab, and it looks like a paintbrush. So in order to do that, all you have to do is place yourself within a source area. You do not have to select anything. As soon as you place yourself inside of there, it will automatically understand what type of formatting is applied. And then click on Format Painter, which is left single click. It will turn itself on, and then you will be able to select the destination. Please note how my mouse pointer, by the way, looks right now. You see that the little paintbrush next to it? That tells me that I'm inside of that mode right now. And the moment I release my mouse button, it automatically copies the formatting from one area to another, so it's exactly formatted the same as the Article 1. Now, if you notice what I did is I selected it manually. There is a quicker way to select if it's a specific single line that you would like to format. Let me show you what I mean. Let me reverse back a little bit. I'm going to go back to my source again, and then I'm going to click on Format Painter one more time, left single click. And then I'm going to hover over to the left of that Article 2. If I am in an area of not writable area inside of the document, you will notice that my mouse pointer will look like an arrow pointing to the right instead of to the left. So that tells me that whenever I single left click in that area, whatever line is to the right of that where I'm at will be automatically selected. So when I single left click in that area, it will automatically select the whole line and format it the same way. Now, when I say a line, please do not confuse it with a sentence. Line just means one line from left to right, and a whole sentence means until the end, until there's their period. This is nice and dandy. However, there are some times that you need to copy the formatting more than once, twice, or even 3 times. And doing it manually one time at a time would be pretty slow and still not very efficient. So what I mean by that is people would still use a Format Painter, but they would go to the source, they would select it, click on Format Painter, then place it destination, then go to the source again, click on Format Painter, paint it in destination, and so on, so on, so on. And if you need to do it, let's say 20 times, that can be very tedious. So there is a secondary mode that Format Painter has. It's a little hidden, but it's there nonetheless. If you go to the original source, which has been specifically formatted, so I'm still in Article 2, which is formatted like I want to, then I can hover over Format Painter and double click it. Not single, double left click. You will notice that visually there's nothing in here that's showing anything different, but you will see once I start pasting it. So I'm going to go to the destination, let's say my Article 3, select it, but if you notice, I'm still in that mode. It's still turned on. So if I can go to Article 4, I can continue pasting it as many times as I would like to keep going, keep going, keep going. Now to turn off that feature once I'm done pasting all of the formatting wherever I want to, I just simply left single click on Format Painter to turn it off. This is how you copy the formatting between the 2 different areas within Word 2010 documents. Thank you for watching and enjoy.